Hi, hello. Nature's fury can be both awe-inspiring and devastating. From raging storms to wildfires, natural hazards remind us of our planet's immense power. However, what exactly are natural hazards and natural disasters, and how do they affect us? Join us as we explore these forces of nature and learn how to stay prepared for these natural hazards. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are learning about natural hazards and natural disasters. Understanding these events is crucial for protecting ourselves and our communities. The main objective of this video is to define natural hazards and natural disasters, identifying different types of natural hazards, categories of natural hazards, and disaster management. Let us start with some introduction. A natural hazard is a naturally occurring event that has the potential to cause harm to people, property, and the environment. When a natural hazard leads to significant damage, loss of life, or economic disruption, it becomes a natural disaster. Here is an example. In this video, we can see the collapsed buildings because of natural hazards like earthquakes, etc. Next, we will learn in detail the definition of natural hazards and the different types of natural hazards. A natural hazard is the threat of an event that will likely have a negative impact on livelihood. The next one is the types of natural hazards. There are various types of natural hazards, each with its own unique characteristics and impacts. Let us take a closer look at some of the most common ones. You can see one by one. First one is avalanche. Avalanche is a mass of snow, rock, ice, and soil that tumbles down on a mountain. Coastal flooding is the flooding can result from heavy rainfall, storm surges, or overflowing rivers. It is one of the most common natural disasters and can have devastating effects on homes and infrastructure. The next one is a cold wave. The cold wave is a weather event involving a cooling of the air or the invasion of very cold air over a large area. Next one is drought. A drought is a prolonged period of abnormally low rainfall leading to a shortage of water. This can severely impact agriculture's water supply and increase the risk of wildfires. The next one is the earthquake. The earthquake is any sudden shaking of the ground caused by the passage of seismic waves through earth rocks. The next one is hail. Hail is commonly seen from thunderstorm. Hail is a pellets of frozen rain that fall in showers from cumulonimbus clouds. The next one is a heat wave. Heat waves are extended periods of excessively high temperatures. They can cause heat related illness, strain energy resources, and impact agriculture. The next one is the tropical cyclones or hurricanes. The tropical cyclones, also known as hurricanes or typhoons, are powerful storms that form over warm ocean waters. They bring high winds, heavy rain, and storm surges that can cause extensive flooding and damage. The next one is the ice storm. An ice storm, also known as a glaze event or a silver storm, is a type of winter storm characterized by freezing rain. The next one we can see landslides. Landslides are movements of rock and soil down a slope, often triggering by heavy rain, earthquakes, or volcanic activity. They can cause significant damage to property and infrastructure. The next one is lightning. Severe thunderstorms can produce hail, lightning, and strong winds and flash flooding. These storms can be extremely dangerous, especially when they occur suddenly. Next one is tsunami. Tsunami is a huge sea wave often caused by an underwater disturbance such as an earthquake. Tsunamis have a devastating impact on human life, causing injury, death, and widespread destruction of homes, businesses, and infrastructure. The next one is volcanic activity. The volcanic activity ranges from the emission of gases and non explosive lava emissions to extremely violent explosive bursts that may last many hours. Several hazards may affect the area around the volcano, such as lava flows, cycloclastic flows, leheras, and landslides or debris avalanches. The next one is a wildfires. Wildfires are often triggered by lightning or human activity and are exaggerated by dry conditions and strong winds. They can destroy forests and homes and affect air quality. Next one is the winter weather. Winter storms bring heavy snowfall, ice, and extremely low temperatures. These conditions can disrupt transportation, cause power outages, and pose risks to health and safety. Now, we will see the example videos of all these natural hazard events. They are very powerful and extensive damage to our livelihood. These are the videos of natural hazards, and we can see the one by one in detail natural hazard events in the different videos. Next one, the natural hazards are categorized into four main types: geophysical, hydrological, meteorological, and climatological. Knowing these categories helps us better prepare for and respond to these powerful events. First, let us talk about geophysical hazards. These are natural events originating from the solid earth. They include earthquakes, landslides, and volcanic eruptions. Next, we have hydrological hazards. These involve various forms of water, including floods, tsunamis, and storm surges. The next one is the meteorological hazards or weather related events. These include hurricanes, tornadoes, heat and cold waves, and severe thunderstorms. Finally, we have climatological hazards. The climatological hazards are long term weather patterns that can lead to extreme events such as droughts and wildfires. Coming next one is the natural disaster. A natural disaster is the negative impact that affects the communities after a natural hazard. Next, we can see what are the impacts of natural disasters. The impact of these natural hazards can be devastating buildings, causing loss of life, property damage, and long-term economic challenges. Understanding these hazards and their categories helps us better prepare and respond to the potential disasters. Now, how can these natural disasters reach it to the people? Now, next, because of early warning systems. In India, the Indian Meteorological Department provides weather services, timely forecast, and alerts to protect communities with text messages. Improving this forecast and early warning systems gives people more time to time preparation and evacuate to distant places if necessary. Next, how to mitigate these effects from natural hazards and prepare for potential disasters. You must be prepared for potential disasters depending on your location. Having an emergency supply kit and an emergency plan are the two basic steps to be prepared. Here are some key strategies of natural disasters. First one is infrastructure. Strengthening buildings, roads, and bridges to withstand severe weather can save lives and reduce damage. The second one is a community planning. Implementing zoning laws and building codes to reduce vulnerability and ensuring communities have plans in place for evacuation and response. The third one is emergency response. Enhancing emergency response capabilities and conducting public awareness campaigns to ensure everyone knows what to do in the event of a natural disaster. The next one is environmental management. This one is a sustainable land use practices, and protecting natural barriers like wetlands can help mitigate the impact of natural hazards. Now we can see the conclusion of the whole video. The natural hazards and disasters are inevitable, but with knowledge, preparation, and resilience, we can reduce their impact and protect our communities. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay safe and stay prepared. Follow us on @GanadiOfficial for more updates and tips on staying safe in the face of natural hazards. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.